the breathing's gonna go out for me, man.
Pull your legs in.
Okay. Let me count to 3. Let me count to 3 and I'm going in. Please.
Here, come on out.
George Floyd had his struggles, but he shouldn't have died that day, the prosecution told the court. The video of his arrest that shocked the world once again shown to 12 jurors who now need to decide if this was murder.
That's a bum-ass.
George Floyd said, "I can't breathe," 27 times. But Derek Chauvin kept his knee on his neck for 9.5 minutes. The prosecution arguing he did this on purpose, telling the jury, "Believe your eyes. What you saw, you saw."
Only you have the power to convict the defendant of these crimes, and in so doing, declare that this use of force was unreasonable. It was excessive. It was grossly disproportionate. It is not an excuse for the shocking abuse that you saw with your own eyes, and you can believe your own eyes. This case is exactly what you thought when you saw it first. It's what you now know in your heart. This wasn't policing. This was murder.
The prosecution reminded the jury officer after officer had testified this was an inappropriate use of force. He knew better. He just didn't do better, said the prosecutor. The defence said otherwise. Derek Chauvin removing his face mask as his lawyer reminded the jury any reasonable doubt should be a ruling of not guilty. The defence showed extensive body cam video of Derek Chauvin on the scene, arguing George Floyd resisted arrest and posed a threat to officers, that many factors killed him, including drugs and a heart condition. They even argued bystanders distracted Derek Chauvin at the moment George Floyd took his last breath, and that the former officer was just doing his job.
Officer Chauvin had no intent to purposefully use, or he did not purposefully use unlawful force. These are officers doing their job in a highly stressful situation, according to their training, according to the policies of the Minneapolis Police Department, and it's tragic.
America is tense in the knowledge an acquittal could see an explosion of unrest around the country. As the world watches, we wait. Sally Lockwood, Sky News, Minneapolis.